Hey, it's Chris Kane with Vendor Risk. Welcome to our channel where we delve into the world of compliance and vendor management. Today, we're going to talk about an aspect of vendor management that often goes overlooked, and this is the OFAC exclusionary database. So, sit tight as we explore the importance of OFAC. Fancy intro now! So what exactly is the OFAC exclusionary database? Well, it stands for the Office of Foreign Assets Control, which is an agency of the U.S. Department of Treasury. And this database contains a list of individuals and companies that the U.S. government prohibits from doing business with due to their involvement in activities such as terrorism, drug trafficking, and other illicit activities. Now you might be wondering, why is it important to search vendors against this database? And the answer is simple: compliance and risk mitigation. By searching vendors against OFAC, you can ensure that you're not engaging with any individuals or entities that are on the sanctions list. This helps you avoid potential legal and financial consequences, as well as reputational damage. Now, imagine unknowingly doing business with a company or individual that's on the OFAC list. Not only could this result in hefty fines and penalties, but it could also tarnish your company's reputation and credibility. So how can you ensure compliance? Here are some simple steps. 1. Access the database. Visit the official OFAC website and access the exclusionary list. 2. Input your vendor information. Enter the necessary details of your vendors, such as their names and other identifying information. 3. Conduct regular checks. Perform regular checks against the database, especially before entering into any new agreements or renewing contracts for existing vendors. A lot of companies struggle to stay up to speed with OFAC. Vendor Risk can help. We have the database integrated directly within our software and also allow you to automate the process of searching all of your vendors and contacts against it, keeping clear audit logs of every search. So if you're currently disorganized with OFAC or any part of your vendor management program, we've created a 3-step strategy guide for companies to streamline and automate your vendor management process. So to grab your copy, just go to vendorrisk.com/strategy. That's vendorrisk.com/strategy. Remember, compliance isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about protecting your business from potential risks and liabilities. By incorporating the OFAC exclusionary database into your vendor management process, you can ensure that you're doing business ethically and responsibly. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on compliance and risk management. Until next time, stay safe, stay compliant. Thanks for watching.